Thank you for purchasing the Dynamo Travel Scooter. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Dynamo Travel Scooter should come fully boxed, as seen here. Courier delivery straight to your doorstep is available from CareCo. Carefully cut the tape with a knife or a pair of scissors to open the box. Once open, remove the styrofoam packaging. Then set aside the basket, the battery charger and the instruction manual. Cut off the excess wrapping on top to access the tiller bar. You can now raise the tiller by pulling this lever and lifting the tiller by the handlebars. Now lift out the seat and set it aside. To remove the scooter body, we recommend splitting the front and rear sections. Do not attempt to lift the scooter as a whole unless you have assistance, as it is heavy. Push the lever on the battery to release it from the scooter body. Pull the lever behind the seat post to release the front and rear sections. Then lift out the rear section. Now lower the tiller bar on the front section and with a firm grip on the front and rear, lift out the front section and set it aside. Now reattach the front and rear sections of the scooter. You'll hear a click when they're locked into place. Lift up the tiller bar and drop the battery back into place. Remove the nut and the card on the front of the battery to unlock the circuit breaker. Remember to keep hold of your instruction manual for any help with operating and maintaining your scooter. You'll also find an ignition key and a set of spanners. Attach the basket to the front of the tiller. Now drop on the seat using the lever underneath to make sure it's locked into place. Now you can attach the armrests. Once you have found a comfortable width on the armrests, secure them in place using these knobs underneath. If you wish to adjust the seat height, use the set of spanners to loosen the bolt on the seat base. Once the bolt is removed, use the holes on the side of the seat post to find your desired seat height. Once you have decided on the best height, put the bolt back into place and secure it using the washer, nut and spanners. Your product is now ready for use. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. If you have any questions about the Dynamo Travel Scooter, simply have a look at the website, pop into one of our stores or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.